Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Zego Food Insurance. First, go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Zego Delivery. Download and install the app on your device. Open the app, select your location and tap Register. Fill in your personal details. If you have a promo code, enter it during registration. Check your inbox and verify your email through the confirmation link. Inside the app, navigate to the cover section. Choose the type of vehicle you'll be using for deliveries, like car, scooter, or motorbike. Select Hire and Reward Insurance. Make sure you already have social, domestic, and pleasure insurance. Upload required documents such as a photo of your driving license, additional vehicle information, and delivery partner details. After submitting your information, Zego will generate a quote. Quotes are often based on hourly rate, example, $15 plus a one-time establishment fee. Once you accept the quote, you pay as you go cover will be activated. You'll be charged only for the hours you are actively delivering. Zego automatically pauses your insurance when you're not working. And that's it. That's how to apply for Zego Food Insurance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.